Video shows how to add image before and after slider section on Shopify Dawn theme without app. The block can be used to show the comparative effect of the product before and after use. Using the section, your store can be more featured. Go to Online Store Themes, Edit Code. Add a line code on the theme, liquid file. Save. Add a new section, name image, before after slider liquid. Copy and paste the code. Save. Customize the theme. Add the image before and after slider section. Adjust the position. Select two images. You can select the overlay color and degree. Set visibility for desktop and mobile, and heading text, image width and height. Then save. Refresh the web page. Now the image comparison slider appears. Okay. The video is over.